Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed in the home buying process? You're not alone. Find out how to simplify your home search today, starting with number 1. Many buyers feel overwhelmed by the vast amount of information out there, leading to information overload. But with my step-by-step guidance, I'll help you focus on what truly matters, making informed and confident decisions. The second concern for many is finding the right fit. Are you struggling to find the perfect match? I'll listen to your needs and present options for your lifestyle and budget, saving you a lot of time and effort. And the third concern for many is the financial obligations. Are you worried about financing your perfect home when you finally find it? I'll connect you with the best lenders and tools, helping you get the excellent loan terms you deserve and avoid hidden costs. So are you ready to turn stress into success? Contact me today for a personalized consultation.